Okay, we are in sport mode with traction control completely off. And, yeah, enjoy the ride. We're gonna do a little tunnel pass right here. That was a little weak. RPMs weren't too high there. Gonna make a little U-turn here. There's good looks from everyone, especially with this color. Alright, here. Wait till it's seen. Woo! Yeah, baby! See, this is why you pick Dodge Challenger. I was always a Mustang guy all my life. I still am. I'm not gonna lie, I do feel a little guilty that I didn't buy a Mustang. Just because, you know, I always wanted one. But, you know what? I feel okay though, because I was gonna buy a Camaro after that, because the Camaro's interior is a lot better than the Mustang's interior, right? It feels like a jet fighter and all that. But then when I drove the Scat Pack for the first time and I just floored that gas pedal, oh my god, it was unbelievable. Unbelievable. And that's why I went with the Scat Pack wide body. What a package, what a car. We're going in manual mode here. Man, if you don't smile, then as you're watching this, then I don't know what to say. My god. You know, look, my car don't have the Alcantara or leather seats. Yeah, of course I wanted that. But you know what? To me, that is a main thing in a car. You have to have that. That's like a must. But this car's so much fun, that's like the last thing that you care about. If you just want to all out brute on the street and you want a car that just breaks necks and some that just a real muscle car, then the Dodge Challenger is for you. If you want to be more sleeky and sporty, Mustang or Camaro. Wow, I hear the burbles. I think once I do a mid-muffler delete, I'll have some pops and then the car will be like perfect. Wow. Got a little squirrely right there.